Hello again everyone, Dave Thomas here, and today I am building the Estes Leaper. Now, as you can see, this is mostly assembled already. It's almost not even a kit really. All we have to do is attach the stabilizers to it, so this should be a really quick build. The hardest thing about this kit is actually getting it out of the box. So you may have to cut through several layers of cardboard and tape before you can get down here. The problem is there is a rubber band that attaches this to this plastic piece down here, and I don't want to just pull on that. I'd rather get access to it so I don't break this. The actual leaper and the little figurine here, these are just styrofoam, so they're fairly fragile. Okay, and then when we finally get to the underside, we can either pull or cut this band here. Okay, so now there's the main piece of the kit right there. Okay, inside the parts bag are the stabilizers and some joiners. As well as the actual instructions. Okay, so there should be a total of 6 of these tubes, and then 3 of the joiners here. Alright, so once you actually get through the packaging here, this stuff is pretty easy. So all we have to do here is put the legs together. They show wrapping it with just some Scotch tape and then inserting the legs in. Okay, so here I'm just going to do a friction fit for one of them. So, like that. And then this just pops in, like so. And then we simply do the same thing with the other legs. Alright, so if you want to do a minimal amount of work on this, really all you have to do is put a little Scotch tape on the joints, and this is ready to go. Everything holds in by friction. What I'm actually going to do is carry this one step further, and I'm going to super glue all of the joints here. Although I probably will leave these guys removable, just for the sake of storage. Alright, so I'll show you how to join one of these here with the super glue, and then I'll take it off camera to do the other ones. Alright, so what we want to do here is kind of treat the leg kind of like a miniature body tube. So usually whenever you're gluing something to a body tube, you go inside the body tube rather than the outside of the coupler, so that excess glue gets squished downward.